Everyone thinks the best-selling tonneau cover for your Silverado is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Cover. First up is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Priced at $249. It caught my eye because of its high 4.8-star rating from over 3,700 reviews. If you want durability and ease of use, this is worth a serious look. This cover is specifically designed for the 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, so you'll get a perfect fit. Its dual-coated, 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl ensures that your cargo stays protected from the elements. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame adds to its sturdiness, making it a reliable choice for tough conditions. Plus, with pre-assembled horizontal crossbars, you can easily fold it up to access your entire truck bed. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to install if you're not handy, especially if you have bed liner. But honestly, most people found the installation straightforward, and the no-drill feature is a big plus. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and easy access to your truck bed. Skip this one if you're looking for a super low-cost option. Overall, it offers great value for the money. Now, if that installation concern bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Cover. Next up is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $199.95. With a solid 4.6-star rating from around 2,700 reviews, it's a popular choice that's definitely worth considering. This cover is also made for the 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. What's great about it is the built-in horizontal crossbars that offer support when the cover is laid flat, and you can roll it up to get full bed access anytime. The Velcro strip seals on the sides mean that rain and dirt are kept at bay, while the tension system ensures it stays tight, wrinkle-free, and looking great. Some folks reported that the latch lock system at the tailgate can be a bit finicky over time. But here's what I think. If you're careful with it, it's a minor issue compared to the overall quality and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you like the convenience of rolling it up easily. Skip this one if you're set on a hardcover for more security. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a hardcover. Product number 3, BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Cover. Now let's talk about the BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. At $1,149.99, it's a splurge, but it's hard to ignore its 4.4-star rating from 1,800 reviews. If security and durability are your top priorities, this is definitely worth a look. This cover is designed for the same Silverado and Sierra models, but adds a layer of protection with its hard aluminum construction. It features a patented auto-latch locking system that ensures your gear is secure. Plus, it's been tested in extreme conditions, from freezing cold to scorching heat, which means it's built to withstand anything. The tight-fit clamps also help keep water out, so you won't have to worry about your gear getting soaked. However, some users mentioned that it can be heavier to handle than soft covers. But let's be real. The trade-off for security and weather resistance is worth it for many truck owners. This is perfect for you if you frequently carry valuable cargo. Skip it if you prefer a lighter, easier-to-manage cover. The investment is justified for peace of mind. Now, if the price tag on that one had you sweating a bit, the next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 4, DNA Motoring Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Cover. Next up, we have the DNA Motoring Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, priced at $158.99. With a solid 4.4-star rating from around 1,300 reviews, it's a great option if you're looking for something affordable yet functional. This cover is compatible with the older Silverado and Sierra models from 1999 to 2006, making it versatile for those with older trucks. It's designed for quick installation with adjustable tension, meaning you won't be stuck drilling holes in your truck bed. The rubber weather seals help keep your cargo dry, and it actually improves your truck's aerodynamics, which can help save on gas. However, some users noted that the material could feel a bit thin compared to pricier options. But honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid deal. Just be mindful that it might not be as durable as a hardcover. This is perfect for you if you have an older model and want to save some cash. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty cover for harsh conditions. It's a steal for the features you get. Alright, finally, if you're looking for something from a trusted brand with a good price point, the last product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Cover. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $179.96. With a 4.4-star rating from about 1,300 reviews, it's a solid contender. This cover is custom fit for newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models from 2014 to 2019. Its tear-resistant vinyl keeps your bed contents dry, and the 6063 grade aluminum frame provides the necessary support to prevent water buildup. Plus, the roll-up convenience makes loading and unloading a breeze. Some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to install than expected, especially if you're doing it solo. But honestly, it's manageable, and the benefits outweigh the slight hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cover on a budget. Skip it if you're after a hard cover for added security. For the features provided, it's a fantastic value. That wraps up our list of the top 5 tonneau covers for your Silverado. So, we've looked at some great options. The Tiger Auto T3 for durability, the Tiger Auto T1 for ease, the BK Flip MX4 for security, the DNA Motoring for budget friendliness, and the Amazon Basics for reliable performance. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.